Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I have got a vocabulary and pronunciation lesson for you. I'm going to be talking about to pronounce names of fruit in English. In this video I will teach you different names of fruit with their images and the pronunciation. I'm sure that it should help you improve both your vocabulary and your pronunciation. Now let's we start. But first I will tell you there is given Urdu also with English. Before start this lesson friends, I will say you please give your comments after watching this video. Thank you. Apple, apple. Pear, pear. Melon, melon. My favorite, watermelon, watermelon, watermelon. Orange, orange, orange. Banana, banana, banana. Peach, peach, peach. Grapes, grapes, grapes. Mango, mango, mango. Jackfruit, jackfruit, jackfruit. Mulberry, mulberry. Blackberry, blackberry. These fruits also calls jambolin, jambolin. Blueberry, blueberry. Strawberry, strawberry. Guava, guava. Apricot, apricot, apricot. Grapefruit, grapefruit. Plum, plum, plum. Cherry, cherry. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Locust, locust, locust.